Imagine this. You wake up one morning, stretch your arm, and your phone drifts away. The curtains rise like ghosts. Raindrops hang frozen mid-air. For 5 seconds, gravity, Earth's oldest rule, simply stops. In that instant, every atom remembers what it's like to be free. Cars tilt off roads, oceans lift into glittering walls of water. Birds hover mid-flight with nothing beneath their wings. Astronauts call it microgravity, but here it's total chaos. You float half a meter above the floor, heart racing, reaching for something solid that isn't there. Then suddenly, the invisible hand returns. Everything falls. Cars crash, waves slam, raindrops strike like bullets. 5 seconds that would scar the planet forever. But what exactly vanished and then came back? Gravity isn't a magnetic pull from Earth's core. It's the shape of space itself. Imagine the universe as a stretched rubber sheet. Place a heavy ball on it. The sheet bends. Smaller balls roll toward the dip. That bend, that invisible curve, is gravity. It's how the sun holds the Earth, how the moon moves our tides, how your feet stay planted on the ground. Remove that curve, and motion loses meaning. Oceans drift upward. The atmosphere begins to leak into space, and even the moon would slip from orbit. Its path forever changed after just 5 seconds of freedom. Inside our bodies, blood would surge toward the head. Our inner ear, which balances us, would panic. Plants would stop pulling water through their roots. Buildings engineered to resist weight would shatter the moment that weight returned. The air itself would start escaping. One puff of freedom before falling back to Earth's embrace. We often curse gravity for holding us down, yet without it, there is no heartbeat rhythm, no rain, no orbit, no home. Gravity isn't our enemy. It's the quiet rhythm that keeps the universe together. So the next time something slips from your hand, don't curse the fall. Thank gravity for still holding the world in place. This is BrainFuel India. Feed your curiosity. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to BrainFuel.